Hi, my name is Shreya, and this is our project. My team number is 11150, and I'm going to explain you about the 3D printer. The purpose of building this 3D printer is so that we can make our whole entire moon base. It might not look like it's made out of regolith, but if it's supposed to be on the moon, then it's actually supposed to be made out of regolith. I can show you how it works. This is the program. There. Now you have it. That is how our program works for the 3D printer. We use this 3D printer because we wanted to make the moon base out of regolith. So the source of this 3D printer is the source of it is regolith. Regolith is moon rock, and that's the base plate of the project.